Okay, here's the second section of progress. We just ended the first section like this. Okay, now it goes into A minor. Okay, we're going to start with the left hand. So the left hand is just playing the bottom of an A minor triad with fingers 3 and 5. I'm going to actually show you this one hand followed by the next, okay? Then the right hand is built on an A minor triad, except that the A is in the middle. A, C, E. And here's what's going to happen. Your right hand starts first on the C and goes up a third, then goes to the middle of the A triad, does that same pattern, up a third, and then goes to the bottom, which is an E, right? We're not doing it in order. It's A, C, E. Okay? There's your A triad, and you can imagine it with the A in the middle instead of on the bottom. A, C, E. Okay, so look at that pattern. And then for each of these notes, you're just doing this. Then you're going to use finger 2 on E. Okay, so you're just playing between the notes of this A minor triad from bottom to top, right? And then on the last one, when you come down here to C, the pattern changes. And you're going to play D and F. And that's going to lead you into what the left hand does. I'll show you that in a minute. So here we go again. Okay, and your left hand's just sitting there on the bottom of the A minor triad. Here it is together. And I'll bet you can guess what the left hand does next. We have now switched from A minor to D minor. Now your right hand is playing the bottom of a D minor triad, and your left hand is going to think about a D minor triad, D, F, A, but with the A on the bottom, so the D is in the middle. Just like we were doing on C up here, right? So here's what we're thinking down here. Same pattern. Bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. Then we'll go to a different chord on this too. We'll go to the bottom of a G triad, so from D minor to G. Let's do that again. And notice I'm using my third finger down here so I can go down to 5. And then G is going to be with fingers 2 and 1, the bottom of a G triad. And I'll bet you can guess what the right hand is going to do. We're going to come up here, G triad, and this one is in root position, okay? Meaning our thumb is on the G, but we're not going to play it first. We're starting middle, okay? Same pattern where we play, go up a third, play, go up a third, and then down with second finger on D. Okay, to a new chord here, which is the bottom of a C major triad. I'll show you that again. So the left hand just did this to G. Okay, now we're going to C. And I bet you can already guess what the left hand is doing. Same thing. We're on C, C major, and again we have the C in the middle here. So the fingers are 5 on the bottom for the G, 2 on C, thumb on E. Okay? And we'll do that same pattern again, starting in the middle of our hand, using finger 3 down here. And for the first time now, we're just going to one note after we play the pattern. To E, okay? So I'll put the hands together for this. going to start something new. So let me play this whole sequence where we're doing the same pattern in different places. And I'll call out the names of the chords, because if you think of the chords, it will make it easier. Okay? So 5 and 3 on the bottom of the A minor triad. A minor, D minor, G, C, I'll play them again, and this time you can say the names of the chords. And I'll show you the next part at your lesson. It's really, really cool. I'll play it for you, but I'll show you how to do it at your lesson. Okay, so we are starting where we ended off with the left hand on E. Then it goes back to the beginning, etc. So practice real hard, and when I see you, okay, so practice real hard on the part with the pattern that I showed you, going from A minor to D minor to G to C and ending on E. And if you can do that really well, I'll show you the end. Have fun.